What's up guys, Clip from the Sunday Drive, and today we're going to be changing the wipers on my wife's 2018 Hyundai Elantra. So today we're working on this 2018 Hyundai Elantra, but this install guide should be applicable to most Hyundais. We happen to be installing AC Delco wiper blades, but we'll link to a few different options down in the description so that you can select the one that works best for you. So to start, we're going to flip the wiper up. All right, so I'm going to rotate the wiper blade down, and then right in here is a little tab that you need to press. I'm pulling it towards myself right now, right there. All right, so we're going to press that in, and then we're going to just push the wiper blade down along the wiper arm, all right, and out like so. Now the new wiper blade, the AC Delco one I got, installs a little differently. So depending on the wiper that you selected, it might install differently than this one was removed. Now in between swapping out the wiper blades, I always like to gently set the arm back down. If you want, you could put like a microfiber or something on this so you don't scratch your glass. But if this were to collapse back quickly, it could crack your windshield. So always set it back down in place in between swapping the blades. All right, and do the same thing on this one. So I'm pushing the wiper blade out. It kind of goes into like almost like a service position right there. You press in on that tab and then push down on the wiper blade. And this little rectangular hole on the wiper arm is where that tab normally locks into and prevents the wiper blade from sliding off. So we have our new AC Delco wiper blade, and this is going to install a little bit differently because it's a different design. You'll notice that right here, it says open with an arrow pointing there. So when you go to remove this one day, you will have to open it, but you also need to open it to install. So what you can do is take like a flathead screwdriver and attempt to pry this open, and you can do that, but you might break the clips. So what I like to do is actually just pop this up 90 degrees, like so. All right, and you're going to see that there's little clips right in there. You can see those a little better from me there. And if we release both of those, we will be able to open this without damaging anything. So I'm going to pry that open like that. And let me just get another little tool on the other side. You also could probably do this with your fingers, but using the screwdrivers, so we're going to pry that in. All right. And now we have that little lever open. And we can put that back down. Lift this up, and we're going to stick this into this opening right underneath this little lever that we just opened. So right in there, like so. And we're gonna press this up and away from the car. And now this doesn't have a clip in here to hold it. You can see that this freely slides in and out. There's no little tab in here to press down on. What is going to hold this in place is this arm right here. So this is why it's very important to make sure you don't break that when you open it. We're going to clip that back down in place, and now this is locked in position. And I'll remove the protective cover on the wiper blade. And now we just need to swap out the other one. And that's how you swap out the wiper blades on your Hyundai vehicle. I hope this video is helpful, and as always, if you go through our links down in the description to buy the parts, it does help us out, so we really appreciate that, and we'll see you back in the next video.